Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD, pound dollar on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we'll go ahead and start by mapping out the range, the overall structure range from the low to the high that broke these highs, but currently, well, it's been making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And right now in this area now, it's just been consolidating sideways. It looks like it was in a brief channel, and it has already swept the liquidity under that channel with the current price movement today. So we're looking to see if this can further break down, or if it can continue and push forward these highs. If it has already swept liquidity under here, to go ahead and keep on pushing forward, or if it can retrace back down to any structure of any type of demand zones, like down here. But right now, I don't see any setup, any bias, but I'm just looking for any type of pullback, any type of bullish momentum shift in order to take any bias going forward. EUR USD. We'll go ahead and map out the current range. I came from these lows that broke these highs, so that's the high of the range. Came back with trace, made a higher low. Just been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows internally, but this high did not break this high. Right now it's retracing, just like the other US dollar pairs, and also in a downward channel, looking like a bull flag. Waiting to see how far this can pull back and retrace. Looks like it just tapped into this demand zone. It could possibly go down here, and then after there's any shift in momentum going back to the upside, when prices start to take out the liquidity above these highs, then I'll be looking for any type of buying opportunity in order to push past and break past these highs and break past this high of the overall structure, and to continue the trend upward. AUD USD, and we'll go ahead and map out the range. From these lows, it broke these highs. Consolidated right now. Consolidated. This looks like a stronger dollar pair, because this consolidation is not really retracing. But with those bull flags, you can say that it is getting more liquidity for those other pairs. But this is just not retracing at all. It's just trending sideways. And we're looking for any type of bullish momentum shift, because this may not go back down to any type of demand zone, any type of these areas, in order to continue the push. Judging on how the other dollar pairs are gonna play out, be looking for any type of buys in order to break past out of this current range, and then any type of retracement, any opportunity to buy going forward. NZD USD, similar chart, but it did actually retrace further. Well, let's go ahead and map out the range. From these lows, it broke the highs of the previous structure, made a retrace back with the bull flag, then broke out. Looked like a spring liquidity sweep that caused this, and then now that's the top of the range. Now it's retracing, also appearing to be a downward channel, descending price action. So just like the other US dollar pairs, waiting to see how far the retracement will go. It looks like it tapped into this area of demand and reacted from it, but did not push past these highs. This probably is already on its way back up from the price action, but we'll see if there's any opportunity to buy. I would like to see it break past this area, because it really didn't stop in this channel. I would want to see it took out this liquidity here, but I want to see it take out more liquidity here, and then continue forward and break past the highs and continue forward. But in general, looking for any type of buying opportunities to see if bulls can continue the momentum forward. GBP AUD, We had mapped out the structure from the entire range on the daily perspective. This had retraced back 50%. You see the previous videos for that. I'm gonna map out that structure because it's just trending sideways, as you can see. It's questioning whether this is going to be a lower high from these highs, or whether this demand zone could push, and the buyers from this demand push past these highs. It hasn't been able to do that. Buyers haven't been able to push forward. So right now, as you can see, this is just trading sideways in a wedge, it looks like, and consolidating, squeezing, waiting to see which direction it's going to choose. I don't have any bias right now. I'm looking for any opportunities to see which way the momentum will shift. I mean, this looks impulsive, this looks corrective, but we gotta wait and see, because I was saying if price can push past this demand zone, I'd be looking for a sell in order to target the lows. But I was overall bullish because this had retraced back into discount, but it never pushed past the high. So look, saying that the sellers may have stepped back in, and it's not looking as strong as a buying opportunity. So, but it still could be. Just waiting to see how this squeeze plays out. But no opportunities right now. GBP, NZD, similar situation. As been saying, they had retraced back from the overall structure into discount, started pushing forward. Seller step back in. This could be a lower high. Traced back, consolidated, started pushing up, and still what buyers weren't able to push past even the highs that were recently created. But from yesterday, it made somewhat of a higher low, push back. Now this rejected that high, so essentially this is just trending sideways, just like GBP AUD. But I did take a sell here because it looked like it was a liquidity sweep, because we're waiting to see if the buyers are able to make a push and continue to break out. But once this swept those highs, took those orders, I did take a sell for this candle. But once I didn't see any follow through, I got out, because like I said, this is just trending sideways. It's not showing any type of direction. I don't see any real opportunity. I consider that an impulsive move, but there's no follow through on the next candle. What I would expect for the sellers, if this was a complete sweep, let's go ahead and take out these lows. Let's waiting to see, if we can get down to this demand zone, just like with GBP AUD, and looking for a retracement and then target the lows beyond that. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.